Now how it works. Let's say we will add security department. Here, we'll click new. So let's say it's 009. We can put the manager ID for 009 and save. So here, once we refresh, it will show here. Because all the information we will entered in the forms will get stored in the particular tables. So now I will show you employees. Do I need to show, sir, the design view? Or I will just test
No, just discuss.
tables?
Just discuss.
We'll
John,
just test.
John, if you want to ask something, you can ask, okay?
Sure.
So I will just show you how it works. Okay. So employee now department, it's fine. Now employees, if we will go to employees form, this is how I designed the employees form.
Wonderful.
So if we want to add, let's say I will add a new stuff.
Wow, wonderful.
Okay, so let's say I'll put
Joan.
Can you give me names?
Yeah.
Joanne.
Fondano.
Let's say
Position payroll manager.
I don't have payroll manager here. I put also a drop down list.
Perfect.
There will be no typo.
Make it senior accountant.
So we can put senior accountant.
Wonderful.
So if we want to check the department, we can go to the tables. So the finance department is 003. Put 003.
Wonderful.
Then department, I also put a drop down list, which is finance. Then the hire date, let's say August 2. And the drop down list also here, full time.
Wonderful.
Nationality. And then here, let's say, what's your birthday? I'll just put August 1997. And then here, actually, here I just add the, here I added the an option to put the emergency details.
Perfect.
Because I think it's important.
Mashallah, it really looks good.
Really good.
Yeah.
Here you can, once you click this one, you can add a photo. Yeah.
Wow.
So let's see if Joanne will appear on the tables. So just click save. News. Here. Shows here at the last. So employees table is now it's working. Now we will go to
Sharmeen, can you also explain the design view?
The design view of the employees. Okay, design view. So here.
Yeah.
What? It's not clear. This one. There's no calculation here. Just.
Yeah. This is employer. Yeah, I have this same
This
type,
employees
but
table. There's no
in
calculation.
salary, I'm having trouble.
The only thing I change here is the format of employee ID. Because I don't want to start it 1, 2, 3. I just put the 00.
So you take employee ID, auto number, first name, short text, last name, short text, position, short text.
Here you can find here a position where I put some source, a value list. And then this department ID. Yeah. And then if you want to add photo, just put the attachment.
Wonderful.
So okay, so now we will go to Harley Harley rates no. So let's see, we added Joanne. So we can add another one for a part-time.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Enter my name.
Enter your name. Okay. Let's say Mr. Muhammad. Is it like this? Muhammad. Your last name?
Amir. Double A M I R.
Double A?
M-I-R.
And position is business development. So here, check the department. If there's a this, we can put it in the commercial. So here, commercial, hire date August 2. So we can put this part-time. You are
Pakistan.
Pakistani. Male. Birthday, any?
1985. 8 September 1985.
It's
September 1985.
So we'll put what's your city? Islamabad.
Lahore.
Lahore. Pakistan. So Pakistan. We haven't put Pakistan. So here, yeah, I think I don't have Pakistani.
No problem. You can put
You
anything.
can also add if you want.
You can add. Yeah, you can add.
Okay, so I will go to. Let me close it first. Sorry. So here, we'll go to state. We'll go to state. Then here, we can put here. After Philippines, yes. We can put I think there's a problem with my keyboard.
You just copy paste Philippine completely. Yeah, like this. Wonderful.
So I'll put I think there is a problem with my
Okay, make like this, no problem. Make in a small case, no problem.
Okay, so let's see. Oh, I'm not sure. Sorry. Let's see, it's the employee number. It's not here. It's here, 0015. 00. So it's here, it will appear once you search. It will appear. So here, it's already here, Pakistan.
Here down. In the state.
In the state, sorry. It's here. Sorry for this typo.
It's okay, sir. It's Pakistani Qatar, yes.
Yeah, there's a problem with my keyboard.
No problem.
Okay. So I will close now. So let's say I just added the one for full-time, one for part-time.
Perfect.
So now let's say I want to process the salary for Joanne. So Joanne employee is 0014. Okay, so I will pick this one. Yeah, it will show here as long as you know the employee number. Also the name it will show only the full-time employees. It will not show the part-time employees. So here, done. What's your finance? Here, I forgot to put the drop-down list here. So let's say she's receiving, this month she will receive 5,000, and there is a bonus of 3,000. So here it's calculated automatically 8,000. So let's say this month this end of the month she will receive 8,000. So now if there is any overtime or other benefits also, we can add here. Like she has overtime for 100, we can add here. So this one, actually the salary form, it's the fixed base salary for each month. So now if there's any overtime and deduction, we can also add here. Or suppose she has cash advance for 100. So automatically it will deduct from the gross salary. Also the tax withheld.
Design view of this table?
Okay, I will just save this one. Let's say our net pay is 7,443. I will just save this one. Okay, so this one should appear in the payroll table. So here, 7,443. Okay, the design of this table, the salary table, this one. Okay. Sorry, I need to close. Okay. So as you can see, salary ID, it's auto number. So it depends if you want to, you have a specific format. We can add. Then employee number, employee ID number. Then the first name, this one, there is a lookup also from the queries which I have created for full-time employees. So it will not be mixed up with the part-time employees. So department, bonus, the calculation is the calculation of the gross salary.
The basic salary plus bonus.
Base salary plus bonus. The deduction actually I didn't add here in the form because I wanted to, sometimes it's confusing if you will add bonus and then deduction at the same time.
It's okay.
So I just put their monthly fixed salary just for basic process to run the payroll. Yeah. Then any question here? So let's say
what is this hourly rates?
This is for the part-time. Let's say I want to process your salary since I have created yours. So I will go to form. Your employee number is 1500. Click new 0015. Okay. Then Muhammad. What's the
Amir.
Amir. Then you are in commercial department. So let's say your hourly rate is 30 and you work for 100 hours. So here 3,000. So let's say we will pay today, and let's say you have other benefits like overtime. Let's say overtime for 500. So the gross pay will automatically come here, and tax withheld also. Same format with the salary form. Then save. Then I will close here. If I will close that one, your salary will appear here. So those who I have entered in the salary form and hourly rates form, it will also appear here. There is Joanne, and this one is Mr. Amir. Okay. Okay. So now we'll go to the reports. So here this is my department list. Report. Employee list. This is my employee list. I put landscape because it's lots of information. So I put also nationality, hired date, and yeah.
Can you show the design view of this report?
Design. Okay. Here, sir.
This is you created by yourself or?
Oh, yes. Yes.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Because I have experience in before. Then the monthly payroll. This one only this morning because I want to show the total for each month. The previous report I did is the total is not showing. So because when you extract a report, you need to get, especially payroll report, you need to show the total. So it will be easy to check the discrepancies also. So here, like for May month, you have 5,580 for the total. Let's see if the August will be. Yeah. So this is yours, which I have added just now. 17. Let me see. How much? This is one. There's no employee ID. I think I need to put the employee ID here. So all I have put the total for each month. We can also extract this, import this report, I think, to Excel. Yeah, like here. You can export if you want to have it in Excel and do some modification. So here, payroll report for part-time. Yeah, Mr. Muhammad. Let's see. It appears here. The payroll report for full-time. This is Joanne. Yeah. This is 7443. And the tax report. This one. I'm sorry, I'm not good in making a presentation.
No, it's wonderful, mashallah.
I actually love to design a software, an application.
Wow. Can you teach us how did you create the relationship?
The relationship. I just followed the guidelines.
Yeah, please just present to us.
I will just here. It's only few. So this one means it's a foreign key, as it's mentioned in the guidelines. Only this four, right? So I didn't create a lot of tables. I just create one because employees they have a relationship with this several tables.
So how much time did you take to create this whole presentation?
Oh, it took me time because I have installed my MS Access just last week. So I repeated this database many times just to check how it works.
That's wonderful. That's amazing, mashallah.
Thank you.
You should send this file to me.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes.
can I use this video in my YouTube?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay, I will put
Can you share also to me?
Kapag
I'm
may
not
question
good
ka,
in this
anin
thing.
mo lang ako. Kasi nag-explore. In-explore ko lang I just explored this application. It's my first time also use this application. I only know Excel.
Yeah, can you also share
and other
this
software.
file?
Okay, Sharmeen, just teach us a little bit how to create from the scratch.
From the scratch. Okay, let's say we want to create
start from the beginning.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it okay if we will
so
create another one?
Yeah,
no need.
Yeah, just
okay, let's say we will create what else we need? The benefits.
Yeah, benefits.
Let's say we'll create like the other benefits for employees. Ano pa
Let's
ba?
say leave allowance, like that.
Leave.
Annual leave allowance, yeah.
Okay, let's
see.
You can create like for
leave.
another campus, let's say, or another,
Let's
let's
say
say,
leave
branch.
settlement. Leave settlement.
Yeah, I think that is very important. Leave settlement, ticket allowance, like that.
Okay. Let's say we will create a leave settlement. Leave settlement na lang. Para madali. Employee ID. What else we need in the leave settlement? It's difficult when you are staying at home. I will put number. Because there's already employee ID. There's already employee number. So here we can make a relationship later.
Yeah, yung relationship ang hindi ko makuha.
Oo din ako. Ang gulo ng relationship.
Yeah, it's hard. This putting relationship is really hard.
It's messy when you select all the tables.
Yes.
Employee let's say first name, last name. Let's say I leave right. Here we can make a lookup. Lookup. Then we can type let's say annual. Let's say unpaid leave. Sick leave. Lahat ng leave, maternity leave,
casual leave.
Casual leave. And ano pa?
Okay na.
Emergency.
Emergency leave, yeah. Okay, limit.
Leave type. Then leave balance. Let's say.
No, you put start date, end date.
Leave start date. Leave start. We'll put the
date and time.
Leave and date.
Leave and
leave duration.
Date and time.
Then number.
Leave duration.
Okay. This will be numbered.
Yes.
Here
request date, approve date.
Request date.
Approval date.
Request date, approval date. Approve date. Okay.
Status. status of leave.
Leave status, yeah.
Yeah, then reason.
Okay, here we can think leave duration. I don't know. Let's check if it will calculate the day. Or we need to save it first. I'm not sure. Equals.
No need to put equals. You put square bracket. Start date minus end date minus start date. It should be like this.
End date first, I think.
And leave end minus leave start.
And leave end. Leave end less
minus leave start.
Leave start. Di ba may +1 yun? Mag-calculate kaya siya, like Excel. Let's see later if it will work. Can I? This is only the form, right?
Yes.
Yeah, also, shall we also add leave ID?
Leave ID.
Leave ID?
Yeah, for each leave there should be an ID. And data type should be integer.
So it will be auto number. It's auto number. Let's say I want to make it to 2 digits. So save. Like leave request.
Leave request form. Let's say.
Yeah. Leave request form. We need to set the primary key.
Primary key. Yeah.
Yes. See.
Then how to put relation again?
Relation. Before we will make what's this? We will put the data. So I want to make a relation for new request.
I-add mo. Tapos, parang pag
Tapos i-drag mo siya.
I-drag ko lang siya ganun. Okay. And then, lahat. And then create.
Create.
Okay. Ganun lang pala yun.
Tapos close.
Okay.
And then let's say we'll go to the forms. Dami nito.
Yeah.
We will create a form now for form design.
Form design. Okay.
Ay, form design ba yun? Or form wizard. Sorry.
Form wizard, I guess.
Form wizard.
Create form wizard. Report
Wizard.
But form wizard. Yeah.
This one. Leave request form. So we'll add all.
The next.
Then leave request form.
Okay.
Here I created. If you want to change the design, let's see, for this one, we'll make it as a bit smaller. To make it 16. And 16. I'll just put the little effects. And here size. I want to make it for text because I'm short also. Ay. Masyado siyang